Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm a Realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the RiverTown community, located in the city of St. Johns within St. Johns County. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Topaz model. This is Mattamy Homes' newest model out here in the RiverTown community. This will be featured in the Vista neighborhood on a 75-foot home site. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and has approximately 3,443 square feet. All right, let's go take a look. All right, here we have the entry. It's a nice wide entry, and the Topaz is part of the Premier Series. The Premier Series features 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot interior doorways, and also can upgrade to smooth walls. Now here we're entering bedroom 2. This has been set up as a gym. You have a bathroom over here. So this is an ensuite. You have a walk-in shower. Now there are 21 home sites, 21 homes that will be available in the Vista neighborhood, and they all back up to Preserve. All right, we're gonna go across here. Take a look at bedrooms 3 and 4. Here we have the closet. Here's the shared bath with 2 sinks. And over here we have shower tub combo. And this floor plan does have different elevations as well. So in case you're not a fan of the exterior that we just saw, there are other options. And if you're interested in purchasing a Topaz or a home here in RiverTown, the St. Johns County area, I'd love to assist you. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. All right, here we have a linen closet, and right next to it we have a coat closet. Now I always say that it's important to reach out first if you're interested in working together, since builders do require your agent to be present at your first visit. Over here we have a powder bath. Here's the laundry room. They've done a great job with the interior design and choosing the finishes. Before we take a look at the common living area, we're going to take a look at this study. And just across we have the kitchen, and I'll give a pan so you can take a look at all of the common living area. And we'll start with the kitchen over here. This floor plan features a large island. We have 5 stools here, plenty of seating. Features the stacked cabinets and gourmet kitchen layout. With under cabinet lighting. This floor plan offers a morning kitchen. Here's the pantry. Okay, let's take a look at the dining room. They've included a wet bar. All right, so this would be considered the dining area. You can see there's lots of space here in the dining. Put your dining table here and then have additional seating there. And here we have the great room. All right, let's take a look at the backyard before heading into the owner's suite. And here we have a large lanai. They've added pavers. It's a nice setup over here with your table. Now over here we have a pool. Give you a look over here. Now, RiverTown is a natural gas community. I'm seeing a gas stove here. So you do have the option to have a gas cooktop or a gas stove, gas dryer, and then a stub outside for an outdoor kitchen. All right, here we're walking into the owner's suite or the primary bedroom. And then over here we have the owner's bath. You have two sinks over here, some transom windows up there. And then over here we have a walk-in super shower. And over here we have a linen closet. Water closet. And then the walk-in closet. If you're interested in knowing more about this floor plan, the RiverTown community, or looking to move to St. Johns County, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd love to assist you with your new home journey. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.